Hello friends, welcome back to our own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Guys, I am back with another interesting swing trading stock, Jubilant Pharmova. Guys, Jubilant Pharmova stock price is continuously falling. It has fallen by almost 45%. But guys, the stock has rallied from March 2020 COVID lows to February 2021, giving a bumper returns of 346%. But from February, after making all-time high level of 1046, the stock has fallen by 45%. Guys, after falling heavily, can it give a bounce back? Or will it fall more? And you might be in confusion what to do with this stock, whether to buy and do averaging, or to hold the stock, or sell the stock. So guys, in this video, let us analyze this stock fundamentally and technically. I will also give you some levels and targets for taking a swing trade, and let us also discuss about its future growth prospects. So guys, please watch this video till the end without skipping, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. And guys, please do like this video. Your every like gives me motivation to make more and more swing trading videos. Now firstly, let us see the company's business model. Jubilant Life Sciences Limited is renamed as Jubilant Pharmova. Pharmova term is born out of a combination of pharma and nova, the new. Jubilant Pharmova Limited will continue to focus on offering products and services with excellence in research and manufacturing and catering to the unmet health needs at an affordable price. It is an integrated global pharmaceutical company which is having three business segments: pharmaceuticals, contract research and development, CDMO, and proprietary novel drugs business. Now let's see the stock's past performance. In the past 1 month, the stock has given negative returns of minus 3.23% and stock has traded almost flat. And guys, in the past 1 year, the stock has delivered negative returns of 32%. So guys, the stock is available at good discounted price. If it falls more, it will be a golden opportunity for you guys, for both long-term investors and for swing traders. Guys, now let's see its financials. If you see its revenue, it has increased from 7.56 in 2018 to 9.15 in 2019. From 2019, it has fallen back to 6.23 in 2020. It has slightly increased to 6.39 in 2021. Whereas its profits has increased from 0.64 in 2018 to 0.84 in 2021. Guys, all the values are in 1000 crores. Now let's see the quarterly financial performance. The total revenue in December 2020 is 1865 crores. But guys, from December 2020 quarter, the revenue has been decreased to 1641 in March quarter, and it remained constant in the next two quarters, the June quarter and September quarter. And guys, if you see its net income, it has fallen from 309 crores in December 2020 to 142 crores in September quarter. Guys, Jubilant Pharmova needs to improve its revenue as well as its profits. Guys, company has huge debt burden. Even though it has decreased its long-term debt from 3047 crores to 2759 crores in financial year 2021, still it has huge long-term debt. Guys, Jubilant Pharmova stock price can jump when the stock performs exceptionally well and it posts good profit numbers and revenue numbers in next two consecutive quarters consistently, and also it has to reduce its long-term debt. This is all about its financials, guys. Now let us analyze the stock technically by using charts. Guys, I am using Zerodha for the chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. Here I opened Jubilant Pharmova's 1-day chart. Each candle represents a single day. The stock price is presently trading at the level of 577. If you see its RSI, the relative strength index, it is presently at 45.25 and it is looking strong. If you see its MACD indicator, it is about to give bullish crossover signal. So guys, we can expect at least 5 to 10% jump in coming weeks. And guys, the stock is trading below all the moving average indicators, the 20-day, the 50-day, the 100-day and 200-day moving average. And guys, in the July month, the stock has seen heavy selling. After that, the stock volumes are significantly low. So guys, if any big investor comes, we can expect a good rally in this stock. If it becomes bearish in the coming weeks, it has a first support at 525 and it has got second support at 490. So guys, if it becomes bearish, it can travel like this. It can simply fall back to the support level 525 and it can consolidate for a while. If any positive trigger comes, it can simply rally. Or else guys, the stock can become more bearish. It can break the first support and may travel towards the second support level 490 and it can consolidate for a while. If any positive trigger comes, it can rally to the levels of 550, 600 and can even go beyond 700 levels. Or else guys, the stock can be bullish in the coming sessions. It can simply rally like this. So guys, let us see some buy levels and targets for taking a swing trade. The buy levels are level 1 540, level 2 520 and level 3 is 490. The targets are target 1 600, target 2 640 and target 3 700. Guys, please keep the stop loss at 460 and time period you have to hold is 1 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Guys, please do your own research and please invest your amount partially at each and every buy level and also at each and every dips and hold it for at least 6 months for achieving these targets. Guys, Jubilant Pharmova has a market cap of 9,207 crores and it is a mid-cap stock. So you can expect medium volatility. And guys, can it really reach the target level 700? Let us find out by looking at its growth prospects. Jubilant Pharmova's CDMO business is very profitable. The company is eyeing for innovative and generic APIs which can strengthen its long-term growth. And guys, the demand is recovering. We can see a comeback of radiopharmacy business. And guys, proprietary novel drug business of Jubilant Pharmova is focusing on oncology and autoimmune disorders. Company's new products PAD4 inhibitor and PRMT5 inhibitor can come to commercialization in the coming 2 to 4 quarters. The growth in the US biotech market can improve its revenue. And guys, company is expected to spend capex of 700 to 800 crores for improving its revenue. So guys, all these factors will drive the growth of Jubilant Pharmova in coming quarters. Guys, FII, the foreign institutional investors, has continuously selling the stock. It has sold almost 4% from June 2020 quarter to September 2021 quarters. It has decreased its shareholding from 27% to 23%. So guys, if foreign institutional investors starts buying the share in coming quarters and company improves its profits and revenue in coming quarters, we can expect a good rally in the stock. The stock can deliver you at least 30 to 40% returns in coming 1 to 6 months. This is all about Jubilant Pharmova guys. If you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. I will come up with another interesting swing trading stock in coming days. Guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Also, please follow my Telegram channel where I will post important updates on daily basis, and please like our pages on Instagram and Facebook. A small disclaimer friends, the levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking investment decision. Thank you friends.